Right, okay folks, another little video about aftermarket parts. This one relates to my Triumph Herald. I do have 5 different classic cars, and there's nothing unique to any make or model. I seem to get iffy parts that just aren't quite right, or parts missing, just something's not quite right about them. Anyway, you can see it on the other channel, on the channel itself. There's other videos on there showing my grief. This is a little kit that I've got. I'm not going to name the company because obviously just let them sort it out, hopefully. Do it on there. I did have some parts missing in my little kit, but supposedly they're on the way. However, this is my main issue, which is the main bush on here. Jack, if you can just hold that for me then, and I can show everybody how to do it. Okay, like so, one bush that obviously then should slide down over there, but mine gets extremely tight. I can't push it any further without a lot of force. You can see it there, it is going, and I can do it. The only way I've done it is to go like that. It will go past that point. I think, okay, that's not too bad, but then I get to there and it's absolutely soft, and I don't want to force that on there, one, in case it splits it. Let's say I did get it on there and I don't want it to split when I'm using the car when I'm out. And I'll tell you the problem is the shaft itself is 15mm, and the internal diameter of that bush is 14mm, and that's what it is. I've done this before, so I know the dirt. I'll leave it on there, I'll get it off in a second. That's my predicament. The other thing is with this stuff, it's always wrong, is they want you to pay to send it back. It just absolutely drives me nutty. Anyway, let me know what you think about that. Maybe I've got it totally wrong. I don't think I have, because I've looked on YouTube and some other videos, and people just simply slot it down across the top of there. So it can't be right. Cheers.